How to buy straight to a jail token. So this token came under the symbol of jail Tuah. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, go and check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Go and check the Telegram channel. They include it too on the REFERRAL account. So to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. This token, as you can see guys here, it's available on the screener. It created 6 hours ago and increased by 131% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's medium investment in a safe place. And this token, as you can see here, is trending #1 on Solana section on the screener. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here, as you can see. And remember, this token address is under the Solana network. We're gonna open your funds wallet for that. And now as you can see, click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and place the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. Now click on here to select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And now click on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy jail Tuah token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.